My name is Sarah Banta, and I lead internal communications and employee engagement at Square. I've been at Square for almost 7 years and seen an incredible amount of growth. We used to be employees all on one floor of one building, and now we're across the world in a multitude of offices. Unfortunately, our communications channels have not necessarily scaled with that growth. As we thought about the problem that we were seeking to address, it was really about making a better experience for our employees.
When I think about the employee experience at Square and what you face, especially as a new employee, you have a lot of disjointed systems, you have a lot of things you have to access, and really everything feels a little bit different. So we wanted to solve that problem. And in looking at the solutions for that, we really didn't like what there was available to us. We partnered with Cleary to come up with a more holistic solution for this employee experience we wanted to provide.
Cleary is a software platform that helps companies create more productive, connected, and aligned employees. We worked with the internal communications team, the people team, and the IT team at Square to figure out what would be a good solution that would make employees be more productive and get the information that they need at the right time.
The fact that the product is called MySquare is no accident. It's really meant to be, first of all, personal. So everyone's feed should look different. It should be customized to who they are at Square, what office they work in, what they're interested in. It's also meant from a design perspective to look exactly like everything else that you see in terms of our internal tools, so that the experience of being an employee and navigating our ecosystem is really seamless.
Usually when you're introducing tools, they have a very specific goal. There's tools that support employees giving feedback, tools that support learning activities and skill building. There's tools that support onboarding new employees onto the company. And the beauty with MySquare is that it is the central nervous system and the one place to go for all of those things.
One of the things that we're really proud of at Square is that we have a distributed and very diverse workforce. And that means that the type of information that people might want to get about the company is going to be very different. And an engineer in our Melbourne office might have very different communications needs and interests than a salesperson in Dublin. So we want to make sure that they're getting the information that matters most at the company level, but also that matters most to them.
If I had to describe MySquare in one word, it would be holistic. We're capturing as much of the employee journey as we can and giving you one place to go.
Seamless, because it integrates into the work and the behavior that people already are doing.
I choose the word hub. This is really the philosophy behind MySquare. This is the one place that employees should need to come, where everything else springs from it. If you're looking for information, if you're looking to connect with other Squares or learn about teams, this is the place that we want people to start.
The main reason that I would recommend Cleary is it was such a collaborative process to work with Cleary to help customize to our specific needs and use the existing tools that we already are directing employees to.
You think about the things that you have access to outside of work, what you're used to using on your phone or on your computer at home. Why would the experience at work be so different?
We worked really hard with Cleary to keep MySquare a really simple, accessible, clean place so that it was actually solving a problem and not recreating the same one in a different place.